Every sunset holds a quiet story, reminding us that even the most beautiful days must come to an end. As the skies turn from gold to deep orange and fades into soft pinks and purples, it feels as though time slows down, giving us a moment to pause and reflect. There's a peace in watching the sun sink below the horizon, right? A gentle reminder that endings are not something to fear of, but something to embrace. Each sunset is a promise that no matter how the dark night becomes, there will always be a new dawn waiting to bring light, hope, and new beginnings. It teaches us to let go of what no longer serves us, to breathe in the stillness and to find beauty in simplicity. The sunset doesn't ask for applause. It doesn't demand our attention. It just exists, quietly showing us that the most beautiful moments in life are often the ones that simply invite us to stop and feel it. As the light disappears and stars begin to emerge, let us carry the warmth of this moment into our hearts, a soft reminder that even in the darkness, light is never far away.